Hi folks. In 1947 we used to make these little toys. I'm 73 years old now. I was 7 years old then, so this is going back in time here. We called this a steamroller toy. It was made out of a simple wooden spool, a piece of soap shaped round to fit on top of the spool. You can use a razor blade and then poke a hole in the middle of it to allow room for the rubber band, a matchstick, a retaining stick, and a small rubber band. And this assembled together, we called it a steamroller. I'm not sure how that name arrived, but I guess it'll work. We would notch the ends of the spools as if to give it additional traction. So I got most of the notching done. I'm going to go ahead and notch a couple of more pieces out of it to complete it. And then that will complete all of the notching. Okay, so now it's kind of like a tractor. You got notching on the ends as if they were tractor wheels. It's just a simple sewing machine, wooden spool. Now all we do here is we take that soap that we cut earlier. This acts as a washer, and it also acts as a lubricator to make the surface slide better. And we run a rubber band, a small rubber band, through the center of the soap with a matchstick going through like so. Easy enough. And then we run this through the center of the spool. And this will be the motor drive, if you will. The motor drive, we'll just kind of push it in with a stick. Pull it out on the other end. Sometimes it takes a little bit of doing. Okay, here it comes now. Then we're going to run this retainer stick through the rubber band, like so. And what I did here is I glued a little wooden stop so that when you wind up the device, which is what gives it the power, that little retainer wood will keep the retainer from slipping on the other end. That'll hold it in place. Or you can just use a couple drops of white glue to do the exact same thing. Now it's just a matter of winding it up to give power to the motor. We don't need this match end anymore, so I'm going to cut that off like so. And now your steamroller is ready to go, and it goes kind of like so. Let's give it a few more winds. You can experiment with this until you get it right, and it goes just like that. That was fun back in 1947 for kids to make, and it's still fun today. See, it rolls right over that t-shirt pretty nice with the cuttings in the ends of the spool to give it traction. That's all it is. Steamroller toy from 1947. I'm still playing with them. They're kind of fun to do. I hope that was straightforward enough. It's just a rubber band going through the center, piece of soap on the end, a matchstick is the drive element that comes in contact with the ground. The retainer stick on the end, it keeps the rubber band from spinning and going back in through, and then you just let it go. That's a lot of fun for kids. I remember I really enjoyed this back in 1947. Thanks a lot. Hope you enjoyed that.